What's up, everybody? My name is Aman Asfal, and I'm an electrical engineering master's student here at Cal Poly. I'm here to help implement a new teaching strategy called CAR. CAR is a framework for driving out non-inclusive and iniquitous terminologies such as master-slave in engineering education. CAR stands for Confront, Address, Replace. So last spring quarter, we conducted a preliminary study with CPE 329 students and found that 82% consider master-slave terminology problematic. So let's bravely confront this topic head on. In case you didn't already know, master-slave terminology is actively used today in academia and industry to describe embedded systems within microcontrollers, brake systems within car engines, amongst other things. So we conducted official follow-up research this past fall quarter at Cal Poly within the electrical engineering, computer engineering, and computer science departments. And we found that 42% of students surveyed either strongly agree or agree that master-slave terminology makes them feel uncomfortable. So why is this, you may ask? Well, to understand that, we have to look at the historical significance of master-slave terminology. So here are some reasons why students may find master-slave problematic or uncomfortable. First of all, it reminds students of the 200+ year period in America where slavery was legal. And in fact, slavery has been around in the world since 3,500 BC in Mesopotamia. Secondly, it reminds students that slavery is illegal everywhere in the world today. And third, unfortunately, it is estimated that there are still 21 between 46 million slaves in the world today due to human trafficking. And if you don't believe me, all you have to do is take a look into the history books and see the proof sometimes. So it's no wonder that in the same Cal Poly fall quarter study, 100% of female students also agreed or strongly agreed that master-slave terminology makes them feel uncomfortable. Besides historical significance, master-slave is also technically inaccurate as a description. If you look at the definitions of master and slave according to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, you'll find that master and slave were first known to define humans, not devices. And the fact that master and slave have come to define the systems that they do today is yet another understated existence of the patriarchy and white supremacy present in our world today. So considering the official dictionary definitions, master and slave are technically inaccurate, historically tone deaf, and ultimately a misleading choice of words to describe engineering systems. So considering the historical significance and technical inaccuracy of master-slave terminology, as well as the Cal Poly research that has already been conducted, the CAR strategy concludes by replacing master-slave terminology with an optional but recommended replacement terminology. Your professor will let you know of this replacement terminology in the next lecture if they haven't already. Thank you.